Who will press next? Louisa? Can someone help? Maybe?
I can do it, miss. Okay, miss.
She'll help.
This other check. This other check is when the bank needs to take a check because it may happen because the debtor doesn't have enough money in their bank account, or there is an error in the check by the signature, no date, etc. This is an example of a check with no signature, and this is an example of a check without date. What happens when a check is dishonored? If a check is dishonored, it will be returned back to the business that paid the check, and the business must report the return of the check by crediting the bank account and debiting the debtor's account. So, the amount in words and the amount in figures do not agree. So the bank cannot pay because it might be fake. Like it doesn't match. For question, Slide 4.3, why is it not possible to have a credit balance broken in the cash column of a cash book? Because it is impossible to have less than zero cash, so it can never have a negative balance. For number 2, what is time overdraft? Time overdraft is when you owe a bank because it allows you to withdraw more money than the one you have in your bank account. Why might a business allow its credit customers cash discount? To attract customers and to lower their receivable. What is a dishonored check? A dishonored check is a check received which the debtor's bank refuses to pay. So for the 4.3, I will explain for each letter and next. So on January 12, sold goods. Mamata sold goods 770 according to ANGC. In Mamata book, ANGC is debited because they owe money to Mamata, but in the sales account it's credited. On January 21, Mamata received a check from ANGC in settlement of their account, meaning they close their account by making final payment or paying off debts. Why it is credited? Because Mamata deposited her check from ANGC into her bank account. So the ANGC will be on debited and credited and the bank account are debited. On January 26, ANGC check was dishonored and written by the bank, meaning the bank increased in debit side and in Mamata cash book, ANGC dishonored check is credited. the road trader's account. Turkish return will be on the road trader's account will be on January 28th. January 28th. And on January 28th, pay both lucky road traders the amount paid by credit transfer after deducting discount to one of the two. So we get 4,875 from 5,000 the money we owed before times 0.025 equals 125. So 5,000 minus 125 equals to 4,875. So for the lot 3 years will become debit, the pen will be on credit, and the discount receipt will be on credit. Why it is discount? It is a credit because we still owe money like 5,000 and then we got the discount. Okay.
Nominal ledger purchase account on January 4, Mamata bought goods from Modular Traders on credit for $5,200, which means her expenses increased and is debited, while her liability is also increased and is credited.
The sales account January 12, 14, and 24 are all income where Mamata sold her goods in there.
Purchase returns account on January 8, Mamata returned goods worth $200 to Modular Traders, which means her liability decreases because she owes less, and her expenses are also reduced. Discount allowed. On January 4, Mamata sold goods for $1,200 on credit to Northeast stores. On January 31, 3% of the discount is allowed to Northeast stores. 3% of $1,200 equals to $36, which means Mamata's expense decreases because she loses money, while Northeast stores' liability decreases because they owe less. Discount received account. On January 4, Mamata bought goods for $1,200 on credit from Modular Traders. She then returned goods $200. On January 31, she received a discount of 2.5% from Modular Traders. 2.5% of $5,000 is $125, which means her liability decreases because she no longer owes money. Her expenses, her bank decreases, and her discount received decreases. This cash book is to know all cash and bank management of Mamata, also money received and bank out. Left side is debit, which shows receipts, while right side is credit, which shows payments. This also shows how Mamata's cash and bank's money moves through the month. The balance is carried forward to the next month. Thank you.
Okay, so right now it's Q&A from your friends to your group. Any questions? Maximum 5. Raise your hand. Okay, Jaja first, and then Abby. Oh, not Jaja. Okay, so Abby.
So I saw like these things like the young as album. What does that mean? Do you know? It's the what? Yeah, no, like
For what? Signifies what?
Can you go back in slide?
Who's the second one? Okay, Owen.
How do we find it? How do we differentiate a contra entry and a non-contra entry? What's it for the contra entry? How do you like basically know if it's contra entry or not?
It's on the entry because there's on both sides.
Can you explain more? Give example.
Like, how do we?
It's okay. Explain.
It's about the cash flow. Bracket. Yes.
17, yes. Mhm.
Contra entry is one with the
What's the transaction about, Shannon? Explain.
So, Amanda paid $650 cash in the business bank account. So she came out debit cash and debit masuk di bank. Can you speak?
Hmm?
Berbahasa bahasa.
Boleh.
So itu uangnya masuk ke bank. Terus yang dari cash, so tulisannya cash. Dan di sini itu tulisannya bank, soalnya masuknya dari keluarnya itu cash keluar masuk ke bank. Exiting.
Clear? Does it answer you? Okay. Anyone else? So, FB plus 1, Owen plus 1, Shannon M plus 1. She's able to answer that. Earlier, SL gak ada yang bisa answer ya. Ayo. Anyone else? Okay, Shannon.
Yes, to record remote. Yeah, it's to record if you receive a discount from a supplier or you give a discount to a customer.
Okay. So the one who answer is Lisa ya, and Shannon I. And okay, last question. Okay, David.
What is the definition of NL, guys?
What did you say?
What is the definition of NL? As you can see in the cash flow.
Oh ini yang
Yeah,
I
that
think
one.
it's nominal and
Is it nominal? Yes. Okay, you answered my question. Thanks. Miss itu plus 1 point gak sih, Miss? Aku kan meskipun nanya
Okay.
One.
Okay, so no one else ya. So it's my question. Okay. So for be quiet. Okay. So girls, the first question should be for Karen. Can you, in your own words, explain the difference between sales ledger and sales account? So there's two types of ledger there, sales ledger account and sales account. What's the difference?
kalau sales ledger itu berarti ledger income atau enggak ya you sold goods gitu. Tapi kalau sales account itu ini kayak sales ledger ini kayak transaksi income-nya kayak semuanya gitu loh guys.
Semuanya.
Ya, ya semuanya.
Kalau sales account? Kalau sales account? Fokus. Cia. Sales account? Okay. Now another chance. Dishonored check. Is it debit or credit in nature and why? Natur awalnya tuh loh. Dishonored check itu kalau ada dapat dishonored check itu debit atau kredit, kenapa? Dan kamu bisa jawab dari sisi bisnis, bisa jawab dari sisi customer.
Kalau dari customer, dishonored check itu debit.
Oke, kenapa?
Because kayak brand itu kayak return itunya loh, apa tuh namanya, kayak return the check. Ya, jadi ya kalau if you kayak get something or kayak asetnya kembali gitu, ya it's debit.
Oke. Last ya. Still for Karen. Can you explain in your own words the one who issue and the one who is the issuer of dishonored check? Who are they? You mentioned issued dishonored check sama ada yang issuer. Bedanya apa? Dishonored check itu ada dua pihak yang terlibat dalam dishonored check. Siapa dan siapa?
I think the bank and the customer.
One more. If you said bank, customer, and there's one more. Apa sih dishonored check in your own words? Dishonored check.
Kalau dishonored check itu kalau kan kayak transaksinya kayak transaksi apa sih namanya? Apa tuh ceknya itu dibatalin karena salah nama salah.
Nah, cek sendiri itu apa? Kalau nggak dishonored check itu apa?
Cek itu kayak bank,
Kayak bank. Kayak gitu.
kayak
Sambil mikir ya, sambil mikir. Okay, Shannon mention all criteria that could lead to dishonored check.
upon expenditures, upon expenditures and bids do not match. Kayak ada yang kayak gitu. Terus expenditure will be no name.
Oke.
Tidak have enough money.
Oke, the difference between purchases ledger sama purchases account apa? What's the difference between purchases ledger and purchases account, Shannon? You need time to think? It's okay. I'll go to Luisa. Think ya. Now, Luisa, is purchases return a contra entry account? Oh, really?
Yes.
So it's no.
Yes.
Okay. Now, there are how many types of cash book column? The table. There's 3 types of cash booked table. What are those 3? Cash book. The one that you present is called what? In Mamata, what kind of cash book column is that? It is a ledger. No, that's not what I mean. There's 3 types of cash book. Your part is cash book, right? There's, okay, now let me rephrase the question. Inside that type of cash book, what is the 3 main components?
Inside the cash book.
3 main components, okay, cash, bank, discount. Now, if it contains 3 things, what is it called? What is it called? Oh, Luisa. Okay, last chance. What is the difference between discount allowed and discount received, Luisa?
Discount received is when your supplier gives a discount to the business.
Okay.
Allowed is when the business gives a discount to the customer.
Alright. Now back to these 2. Okay. Any answer or you skip? Dishonored check, debit or credit in nature, Karen? Why?
Yeah, that's it before. Apa itu?
Now there's two stakeholder, right? What's the stakeholder? That one is customer. The other one?
Ini kemarin baru belajar.
Ah. Okay, Shannon. So your answer, what's the difference between purchases ledger and purchases account? Everything is the flow of the money. What do you mean? Okay. Okay, that's all ya. You two don't understand what my question is about. You as well. Alright. Okay, thank you guys.